Hey there everyone, DJ Cat Cannon here, and today I'll be showing you how to make an eSports style logo using Photoshop and Illustrator. Before we get started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Now initially, you want to start with either a drawing or a reference picture to work off of. Here you can see I'm drawing this in Photoshop. We're drawing just a simple little fox logo that we will make a nice little eSports style. Next, you're going to want to change your brush to a thicker brush that'll be the thickness of all the black on the logo. While using the least amount of strokes as possible and using the right amount of pressure where needed, roughly draw the outline of your logo. Now this doesn't have to be perfect, as you can fix this during the next steps. I highly recommend looking up other esports logos for some inspiration. Now that we have our rough logo outline, pull the image over to Illustrator and start outlining the entire logo. Once you have the main outline, it's time to start outlining all the negative space, so any space that you plan to fill with color. Once all the outlining is done, select everything and click on the Shape Builder tool. With this selected, hold Alt and click all the areas you want to add color to. Now make a new layer below your outline. Using the Blob Brush tool, fill in all the base colors. Make sure you stop every so often to allow Illustrator to catch up. After the base color is added, start adding shapes where you'll want the shadows to be. Change the shape color to black, the layer style to darken, and the opacity to around 40 to give you a nice shadow. If you wanted to add any light sources, you can change it to white and the layer style to soft light. After you have the logo done, it's time to export it and bring it back to Photoshop to turn it into a profile picture. Copy the logo, enlarge it, and bring the opacity down to around 30. This helps you all make some cool logos. Feel free to post them in my Discord for my review. Remember to check me out when I'm making these live on Twitch, and follow me on TikTok to get your very own free logo made by me. Thank you all, and I'll see you on the next one.
Hey, hi. Did you know that I suck at life? I'm hot dog water, what's that? It's worse than trash. That is me. I'm hot dog water.